Imran Khan is saying Bajwa is doing. You was the prime minister. Why you didn't sack him? If you like a Nawaz Sharif, if you like Imran Khan, vote for him. He's saying I have 4 bullets, and he's saying every day I cannot come. Your life is in the hand of Allah. When you will die, you will die. You're saying a Medina Riyasat, the Khalifa, he can present himself in the to front of Qazi. Then why Imran Khan cannot?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, आप देख रहे हैं उर्दू पॉइंट। मेरा नाम दानिश हुसैन। ज़मान पार के बाहर की सूरत हाल सबके सामने है। ऐसे में एक सियाह जिनका जॉर्जिया से ताल्लुक है, यहाँ पर टूरिस्ट है और वो घूमते घूमते यहाँ पर आ गए और ये सारी सूरत हाल अपनी आंखों से देख रहे हैं। आइकॉन इनका नाम है। ये यहाँ पर क्यों है, क्या ऑब्जर्व किया और पाकिस्तान की सियासत को किस निगाह से देखते हैं? आइकॉन, व्हाट यू आर डूइंग हियर?
I'm just a tourist here just for 1 month, 2 months. So I was passing on the Mall Road, and then I see this political party rally was going on, and they were fighting with each other. Then I said, let me see what the view, and I came, and I was disappointed too much. And this is not a way to rule the country. Your country is going day by day down, and all the political parties should be together.
Do you think that our political parties are together, or it could be together?
They should be together. If they're not together, they are fighting with each other. Your enemy will be stronger. Imran Khan is saying Bajwa is doing. Bajwa, he did this, Bajwa. So you was the prime minister. Why you didn't sack him? You was a 4 years or 5 years.
4 years.
The prime minister, and if you know that are they're controlling and they're ruling, you are the prime minister. You can sack him. Why you didn't sack him?
The police have cordoned off all the areas in the surrounding of Zaman. How did you came here?
I manage myself because this is very light, and I just pick up my scooty and I get inside, and I request, and they give me a lot of respect as a tourist. They said, okay, you go, but be safe. Okay. So I told them, please, that I'm not in favor of any party. I'm in favor of Pakistan. So your Pakistan is going down. When I came here, it was $1 was 160 rupees, but now it's 280 more than that, and will be happy. Will be happy, and you will be back every day. So please, this is my message to my all lovely Pakistan people. Don't fight with each other. Don't fight with the police, and see your right, and use your right in the election. If you like a Nawaz Sharif, if you like Imran Khan, vote for him. You're saying a Medina Riyasat. If Medina Riyasat is if they call I don't know what the Islamic terminology. Khalifa. If they ask the Khalifa, he can present himself in the to front of Qazi. Then why Imran Khan cannot? Imran Khan, he should give the message to his follower. Okay, I'm saying a Medina Riyasat. You must love me. You must vote me. But don't fight with the police, with the army. Don't block the road. Peacefully, and go for election. Please go for election. Do
you think the Pakistani ruling party is willing to do the elections?
Okay, might be they are not willing. Okay. Might be they are not willing. But there will be election in one day. If you are a popular, go to the court. It does not mean you bring your people and throw the stone on the police.
They are also shelling and throwing the water cannon.
I love Imran Khan. He's a new leader, and he has a new thinking. But he must present himself like example. Okay. And he's saying I have 4 bullets, and he's saying every day I cannot come. Your life is in the hand of Allah. When you will die, you will die.
I still have the curiosity. How did you came here? Roads are closed. Police have cordoned all the areas. Are you familiar with the Lahore streets?
I'm using the GPS.
Okay.
And GPS, and the best GPS in the Lahore is the common man.
You are on the ground and watching and witnessing all the situation. So are you scared?
I'm not scared, because my life in the hand of Allah. When I will die, I will die. Many people, they were saying, don't go to the Pakistan, don't use scooty, don't use your mobile, they will snatch. I said, this is my nasib. If Allah... if it is written in my nasib, it will be happen. So that's why I don't feel scared. But the people are very lovely. They give me a lot of respect. So as a tourist,
you're giving the interview by your own will, right?
Yeah.
Nobody has forced you.
No. I was looking for this DNC, and I was looking for someone. If he can take my view, and I can express myself how I'm feeling about the people.